And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Virgin Australia app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Virgin Australia. I can see it here. Virgin Australia media. Okay. So if it's not work, then you have to follow these instruction. Or here we can see yes Australia here. Okay. So just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. Then here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then you have to click on the clear data and you have to delete the data. Okay, and open it again. If it works, fine. If it's not works, then you have to open your Google Play bar and you have to search for the Virgin Australia app. Okay, and from here you have to check for the update and you can install it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.